Welcome to a new video where we'll dive into a common problem that many developers encounter in their day-to-day work. Picture this. You're working in a large monorepo with a hefty 10 GB .git directory, and you notice a significant difference in performance when using the git log command. When you output the log to a file, it's lightning fast, but when displaying it on the terminal, it slows down by over 10 times. Quite a puzzling problem, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the solution that can help us bridge this performance gap. By examining at LeGEC's insightful suggestion and conducting further experiments, it appears that the culprit behind the difference lies in the decoration of the output. The performance discrepancy becomes evident when we compare the execution times of the git log to command with and without decorations. Solution: when we run the git log to command without the decoration option, it blazes through the task with great speed. On the other hand, adding decorations to the logged output significantly slows down the process. By leveraging the noDecorate flag or customizing the format to exclude decorations, we can achieve a faster log output, optimizing performance in large repositories. To wrap it all up, we've explored a fascinating problem with git log performance in a sizable monorepo and uncovered a solution to enhance the command speed. By understanding the impact of decorations on output efficiency, we've highlighted how tweaking the log format can lead to significant performance improvements. Remember, when dealing with large repositories, tweaking your commands can make a world of difference. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Who knew log decorations could slow us down, right?